Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do, coming from Amazon Prime. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. You can take advantage of the fast and free shipping and see what other goodies they have to offer. So we're about to find out what they sent us to show you guys for this Monday. Here we go. Snip, snip, and snip there. And we have here is gonna be. Here we go. Alright. We have here today coming from Ainope. 10,000 mAh. Rechargeable cell. Portable power bank. Vanguard X1. Nice. Got a nice color to it. There's the side. Power banks are really cool. Take these on your vlogs. Gaming. Probably hook it up to the Switch. Let's see what else we got down at the bottom. I like good stuff. Pretty cool. Alright, now let's see what it looks like. Yeah. There we go. We got it. Alright. We got this thing rolling. Come on. It's in there pretty good. Oh, body slammed. There we go. Alright. Oh, nice LED. I think that tells how much battery strength is still left. So it's at 57%. Got the USB right there. You guys can see it. Focus. There we go. That's right there. There's the back of it. Really nice. And a power button. Oh, that's on and off. Yep, see. Juice. There you go. And this is lightweight. This is definitely easy to carry around with in your pocket, purses. Your only got 2 USBs, and then right there, 1 and 2. Charge multiple devices. The iPhones. It comes with a USB one. I do got a spare phone with me. Show you guys. Easy to charge. And just drop you guys down an inch. Here we go. All you gotta do is have some fun. There you go. Plug it in. Bada boom. Oh, there it goes. Snap in. And then you can have another one running out to another phone or your tablet. And you just plug it into your. Where is it? Oh, right there. Kind of hard to see. I might have to get my other one. Dang. Yep. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. I had to go in my room and grab my normal USB cable. Like I said, it's a standard iPhone or the other Samsungs, but definitely not. This is the 8 Plus, and I'm recording on the 10 Plus. So same as plug it in. Got the juice. So like I said, there's 57. And let's see if this thing works. Boom. Look at that, charging. 100%. So that's really cool. And then, like I said, if you got your tablet with you or something else, you just gotta plug it in, and it should just fit. Go right in there. There you go. Bada boom. So now it's look at that. Got that one to the phone. Got that one to the tablet. And I think you guys can see it up top right there. It's charging it right there. Perfect. So, and there's one about 2% used already, but both are good right now. So really cool. Like I said, for you travel vloggers or all the COOs or anybody, this would be a nice little stacking stuffer to give, housewarming, birthday gifts for somebody. And there's a lot of devices it's compatible with, so definitely check them out. See what other, they got. Another color is white for these, and they got other cool electronics. So another cool stuff. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Click the link down below. Take advantage of the Prime's shipping and get this one in no time. Look at that though. It's lightweight too. Like I said, it's not heavy. You won't notice it that much in your pocket. As you can see, that's what it does. Got it running. Bada boom. So thank you guys, Ainope. I hope I pronounced your guys' name right. They are right there. Power bank, baby. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night, and see you in a little bit. See ya.